Hey, happy people, this is Tanya Hall, Chocolate Mama, and today I am going to show you inside of the AI clone kit and just how powerful it is, just how you could get started in using it. And I am going to use it to show you an incredible woman named Emma Rab. I'm going to show you how we use this kit to build her an entire DNA profile, and we're going to start right here inside the course. So the course has 5 modules. Um, Inside of each module, it has very specific, detailed things that you have to do. It's very simple. You go inside this module, and then you just click here to download. That's it. And then once it's downloaded, it comes up. And so here is the calibrated script, okay? And it's just really simple. 3 things that it wants. I want you to be able to get. You're going to grab from it once it's downloaded. You're going to grab um, basically the information that it's asking you for here in the script. And I even give, like, before you start, where to go and get it, where to gather it, the things that you need to pull to make this happen for yourself. And then you're going to just copy paste it right into the 3 items that I want you to go and get, 3 writings that I want you to go and get, and you're going to paste it right in. So I have Emma's writings, so I'm going to take Emma's writings and plug them right into this system. So let's get started with that. Okay, so what I have here is 3 samples of Emma's writing that have been submitted. One is just a Facebook post that she had that was sent over. Then the next one sample is a writing that she did, something she sent to her sister, and then another one is an Instagram writing post. Okay, so the key components of all of these is that I'm going to add her writings into my calibrated script. So it's called the calibrated script, to be able to output her a fantastic DNA. So we're just about to get a DNA profile of her from her writing samples. We're going to input her writing samples into the calibrated script that is in component 1, and let's check out what it puts out for her. Okay, let's do that now. Okay, so I've gone over and gathered the calibrated script that is inside of AI Clone Kit, and then I grabbed her 3 samples of writing. So now I have taken all this information, and now I'm just going to um, click the button here, the arrow here, so that I could gather and get her DNA profile totally done. So here we go. I'm going to click the button, the arrow, and then I'm just going to let it do its thing. And it's just going to take a few minutes to go and gather, just running all the data about her. And it's going to create in a matter of seconds. Here we go. We are all done. Just that quickly, it has created her, and I'm going to switch out here, a total voice DNA profile for Emma. It's talking about who she is, her tone and personality, her sentence style, how she likes to talk and write, and her dreams in there. It even captured her vocabulary, how she likes to write LOL, be real, be honest with you, just kind of showing a little bit about her vocabulary, fingerprint on her, um, how she refers to her adult children as my babies, which every mom can relate to that one for sure. It talks about her opening style here, and it gives a little bit about her opening style, how she likes to talk to people, and even her closing style, how she often in her writing will close out her sentences. It talks about what to avoid. So um, it now can tell any system what to avoid for her, things that just not like her and not her personality whatsoever. And then it actually gives her a brand personality in line. So Emma is a 51-year-old woman, um, woman of faith, build her dreams in public, honest about the gap between where she is and where she's going, and magnetic precisely, because she refuses to pretend that gap doesn't exist. Okay, so now it has created her a little bit of a profile there. Okay, so now that that has kind of been created for her, then the next step is kind of like what's next. So, by the way, this is her DNA profile that is has been created over in Canva for her, but I am going to take the same DNA profile and I'm going to copy paste it all, and I'm going to take it and put it over into ChatGTP, and I'm going to start a whole new one for her over here in a new chat, and pretty much ask it to do the same thing. So to break down the same thing, just to show you how different AIs will create a DNA profile for you, and can complete, analyze, and based on very simple things that it has for you. And then we're going to show you throughout the week, I'm going to be showing you how to expand that and get it to do things for you. Um, I'm going to even show you throughout the week, just plain and simply, how to use this to create an entire brand for you as a solopreneur. So here we go. We have now got the final DNA profile for Ember Rab. It's just breaking down who she is. Again, her sentence style, her vocal print, her opening, her closing, things that she likes to say, what to avoid, and brand personality. Okay, so in line, just everything about her. So now, how do we now take this brand DNA and build a business around, or use it, this brand DNA information, to create something really special and unique around you and around your business? So let's show you how to do that. And I'm going to go for this. I'm going to go back over to Claude, and I'm going to ask Claude a few things here. Okay, so first I'm going to ask Claude to please um, please make this a downloadable. So I'm going to ask it to make this a downloadable, um, or a not just a downloadable. I'm trying to make it a doc. X. And so I'm gonna, in my color scheme. So if you have a color scheme of, okay, so we're gonna put a color of a more of a royal blue and mauve pink. With white highlights. Okay. Let's see what it comes up with. So give it thinking about it. And it's going to take a few seconds, and it's going to come up with a document that is put together in a package with the color scheme that's around, that's basically Emma's entire theme of her business. Business is more blue and a mauve pink with white writings. So it's just simply coming up with that. It's going to take all that information, it's going to break it down for her. So just showing you how you can simply take a script, the calibrated script that's inside AI Clone Kit, to how you can use it to create basically you an extremely amazing masterpiece for you and your business for forever, and really build something to build off of. It's a little bit different than just plugging things right into an AI. AI only builds off of the information that you provide for it. So if you provide nothing, it basically tries to create something based on nothing. But if you give them very specific calibrations, which is what's inside the calibration script, it actually leads to really magical things for you and your business. And here we go. It has created a complete DNA profile in her color schemes of what she has her business in. It has created it where it is a complete downloadable. And now you can take this information, and we're going to show you just how you can take this information and build a massive amount of things. So I'm just going to download this for her. And so now she has a complete profile script, and this is what it looks like. So here's her DNA profile. Put this right here. For her, this is her voice DNA, what she can do based on where she wants to go, her dreams of, going to Europe someday and taking her sisters uh, and her kids. Here's all of her, how her public posts she wants them to write, right? So it has everything, a close, very close DNA, and how to use it. Okay, so that's her voice DNA. So it is all completed and all done. So tomorrow I will be showing you how to take this voice DNA and now let it write content for you, let it write text messages. And tomorrow we're specifically going to write emails that can go out using her voice DNA. But it all started, remember, it started with the calibrated script. So her by inputting things into the script that's a part of the AI clone kit, plug it in there, and just in a matter of minutes, we've been on here just a few minutes, maybe 10 or 15 minutes, she's managed to create something that's really powerful. And so every day this week I'm going to show you how she could use, how Emmy can use this script to be able to build her an entire platform, an entire business around it, or intertwine it with the business that she's already doing, and show you how to make it more powerful and more robust. So stay tuned, stick with me. We're going to show you more later in the week. Okay, stay close. Bye for now.